My name is Sharif from 4G Motorsports, and this is our 2023 Skidoo MXZ Blizzard 850 E-TEC. This unit features a liquid-cooled two-stroke E-Rave engine, 165 horsepower, 849 cc's, E-TEC direct injection with additional booster injectors. It takes premium unleaded fuel. Fuel tank capacity is 36 liters and the oil tank capacity is 3.4 liters. The drive clutch is a P-drive with clickers. The driven clutch is a QRS vent. Drive sprocket pitch is 2.86 inches. The dry weight of this unit is 480 pounds. Overall vehicle length is 115.2 inches. Overall vehicle width is 49.4 inches. Overall vehicle height is 49.9 inches. The ski stance is 43 inches and adjustable. The track is a Ripsaw 129. If you have any questions, please come see us at 355 Mackenzie Boulevard in Gregoire.